This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, smoke detector, external shower, water heater, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, slide out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE is 6,390 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.